Center number 1. In this center, my kids are going to grab 10 pom-poms. It doesn't matter the color, and they're going to throw those 10 pom-poms like this. Watch. So I'm going to throw it up, and then I'm going to count how many are in, and then how many are outside. So then I'm going to write the number that is inside goes here first. So I will write 2. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. I'm going to write the number 8 here. In total, all together, that gives me 10. They're going to continue doing this multiple times since it has a backside as well. Center number 2. In this center, my kids are going to measure the weight and figure out which item is heavier. So they're going to use 8 pennies from this baggie and then 6 bears, and they're going to use the scales to figure out which of them are heavier. The one that is heavier is the one that they get to circle. And they also have this in which they have to use the cubes and then crayons. Center number 3. In this center, my kids have this book in which they're going to count the flowers. So here they need to read, I see 1 red flower. So they need to color this flower red. On the last page, it says, I see a rainbow of flowers. So they get to use different colors and draw as many flowers as they want. Center number 4. In this center, they have this bag full of it has these flower pieces that have all different ways of representing the number that is in the middle. So here we have the number 1. So we have it shown in a die, in a domino, tally, the word, in a 10 frame, and a finger. So my kids will have to do this one on the floor so that way they have plenty of space. Center number 5. In this center, my kids have these 4 different faces which they need to pick one from. They're going to color very beautiful, pretty, since this is going to go for their moms for Mother's Day. And they're going to use this to measure themselves on the floor. And once they cut the piece, then they need to tape it on the back. Center number 6. In this center, my kids need to identify the number that the kid is holding. So in this case, we have this girl holding the number 4, so they need to find all the number 4s. This one is holding the number 5, so they need to find all number 5s.